I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will boot into the Windows 7 recovery environment to work from a safe shell. Insert the DVD or USB, reboot, and press the key to open boot options. Once done, pick your media and load Windows Setup. When the installer screen appears, choose the correct language and click Repair Your Computer, then select the operating system. Finally, open Command Prompt from System Recovery Options so you can run repairs directly. This gives you access to disk and boot tools without loading Windows. You will fix boot records to restore startup. Start with bootrec. Type bootrec/fixmber to replace a corrupted MBR, then bootrec/fixboot to write a fresh boot sector. This addresses many boot failures. Next, run bootrec/rebuild. It scans disks and adds found installations to the boot configuration data. If rebuild reports 0 installs or errors, make sure the system partition is active, and if needed, use a trib ren and bcdedit to export, delete, and recreate the BC. You are finishing repairs by checking disk and system files. First run chkdskc/f/r to correct file system errors and attempt sector recovery. This can take time, so be patient. Then run sfc/scano with offbootdir and offwindir parameters to repair Windows system files offline. This restores protected files without starting Windows. Make sure to reboot and test startup. Troubleshooting tip: if repairs fail, verify BIOS SATA mode and run a memory test. Bad RAM or wrong disk mode often blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.